How to install NVDA in computer or laptop. It is very important to know about what is NVDA first. So let's know what is NVDA. NVDA is such a software, with the help of which the blind person runs the computer or laptop on his own without the help of others, that is, he does not have to depend on others. NVDA is a screen reading software that displays the text that comes in front of the screen. This screen reader has more than 50 languages. Know the names of some languages: Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, Chinese, English, etc. Let's download and install NVDA in computer or laptop. Step by step. 1. You have to go to Google Chrome on your phone or laptop and type a web address. The link is given below. Go to this link www.nvaccess.org and download the software mentioned below in your computer or laptop. 2. After downloading, find the downloaded software in the downloaded folder in your computer, press the enter button on it, wait for some time after pressing the enter button. After waiting, something will be shown on the computer screen in front of you. After that, a copy of NVDA software will run until NVDA software is not installed in your computer or laptop. 3. An agreement will be signed on your computer screen. Check the agreement by pressing the space button on the agreement. After checking the agreement, the next button or install button will come. Click on that button. After the software is installed in the computer, the copy which was running in the computer closed. Once done, restart NVDA so that the software will work well. Thank you.